So why'd you keep casting over to catch that?
I like to catch stuff under them roots like that over there. Under them roots, shade right there.
Now, how long have you been working that spot there?
I would say close to 10 minutes right there in that spot.
Okay.
I kept feeling some pretty good bumps over there close to the shore, so I worked my way until I got right up under the roots, and all of a sudden something took it. Them little white grub jigs right here.
Okay.
I
Okay.
like them pretty good. So do they, apparently.
Okay. Well, that's it. We coming back to you here, down here in the creek. Daniel bringing this big old whopper over here in this little tree section here.
Yeah,
This root section. I mean, he could be possibly a good world record. Looks good.
I think that's a small red, maybe even a baby smallmouth.
Good size one there. Good and healthy. Give him a couple years and he might be good and big. But I'm gonna have to switch my bait because
Cody trying to get on the board still.
I'm so. Man, he's just fighting of putting up a storm.
Dude, that's a good size one.
That's pretty good size, isn't it? Is that
Yeah.
top yours? Okay.
Top that one. Yeah, he topped that one.
I feel like if you could drag it right off that bank into the water, you'd be doing good. Is that one on there?
It was just like it had a hold of the tail. You see it?
Yeah. Ah, shoot. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
3-2. Guess you were turned into a believer about that grub bait now, huh?
Heck yeah. Look at this.
I think that's a baby smallmouth.
See, it's spotted up different.
Yeah.
There you go, buddy. We're fishing off this bank here. Caught number 2 on the day. Well, 1.5 maybe.
No, it's 2.
Where's your line even at? Another one. Maybe. Come on. No, he didn't. Number 3. Does that make me tied?
Yeah, they're tied.
Dude, I'm catching every single one of them like this. Look. That's a baby smallmouth too, isn't it? No.
Actually, it's got that black dot behind the gill, don't it?
Yeah.
Probably some kind of sunfish.
I don't know where he went to. Dude, you're getting in my spot.
Gotta get ahead of you. You got tied up awful quick.
Fish on, fish on. Oh, man. Caught that in a weird spot. Oh, shoot. Put my whole rod right in the water. Number 4. That's a big old fish.
Yeah, that's good, man.
What is that?
That's a smallmouth there. Yeah, I think all those other ones have been red eyes.
Shoot. You piece of crap. Fish scare me sometimes.
Get a hold of his lip. That'll be a lot easier. Plus, smallmouth are fighters anyway.
Oh, yeah. It's not that I'm scared. It's like I'm more or less scared I don't get the hook in my mouth.
Yeah, I worry about that sort of thing too.
Dude, this ain't coming out. Right here, buddy. Woo-hoo. Right around that tree. Dude, he hit me. Did you get one? Yep.
Oh, that's pretty.
Man, look at that. We got a double on camera. I think we found this. Oh, that is. Oh my goodness.
He's wild spotted up.
You want to take a picture of that?
I do. Go from the bank and grab my phone.
Look at this monster. You want one? Dude, I think I hit the jackpot on. I think you hit the jackpot on this.
I know this pink rooster tail works pretty good. So.
You still got that rooster tail on there?
Yeah. I'm gonna change it when I get up here though.
There's something right there at that log. This is like a universal bait right here. You know what? You gave me the universal bait. Smallmouth, sunfish, bluegill. Oh, son. That's the biggest one yet, ain't it?
Hey, it's a smallmouth. Boy, even them little smallmouth, they're fighters too.
Holy crap, that is a lot of little smallmouth down in here.
Yeah, it makes me wonder if there's some big ones too.
Fish. Yeah, you want one? You switching back?